flattened out. So the market actually went down from the highest level around the levels of 16,550 to 16,560 levels to 16,500 levels in a matter of about 2 or 3 minutes. So that is the technical analysis. That's the power of technical analysis, so to say. And welcome everyone to Market Profit Show with Ashok on my YouTube channel, Ashok Kumar Exotic Investment. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the video, subscribe to get the daily videos, and click the bell icon so that you'll get the notification for all the new videos. And like this video, if at all, it gives you a lot of knowledge about trading and making money out of it. And if at all you're having any problems with the trading, basics of stock market book is available in the first link in the description below. Click on the first link in the description below. It's available on Amazon and you will be able to buy it at a very low mere cost. So that being said, this is Market Profit Show. Welcome everyone, and let's jump into the technical analysis of today, where we will say Nifty trend today. So how is the Nifty trend today? How Nifty trend for today would influence your today's trades. So let's jump in and let's understand about it. 17th August 2021. Here we will actually be looking at the resistance at 16,589, support at 16,529, 16,359 is the supports, second support, and the third support is somewhere around 16,290. Yes, of course, from 16,529 till 16,359, we actually don't have much in order to get the markets to go anywhere. So it is a free flight if at all, if it crosses this, and it may fall more down from here onwards if it actually crosses the level of 16,500 levels. So where are the resistances? The resistance is only at 16,589 as of now. Where's the pre-market? The pre-market is yet to complete its turn till 9/7. Will not have the pre-market trades readily available. However, as of now, we see that the market is probably going to be a bit of negativity all over. That's because the market actually shows that we are heading towards the high. However, there is a bit of resistance at the highs. In yesterday's session itself, we saw that the market falling all the way from the level of 16,590. It came down to the level of 16,480 and afterwards went all the way higher to 16,590 levels. From 16,590 levels, it came down to the 16,550, then climbed up to 16,563 levels. That's the market where we actually stopped in yesterday's session. And the market seems to be a bit of on a higher note. However, it's trying to take its turn in order to move upwards. It's not directly going upside. It has its lows as well, and then only it is going upside as of now. So where is SGX Nifty? SGX Nifty was 60 points lower at 7 a.m. when I was writing this article. However, as of now, it is just 8 points lower in the market. So SGX Nifty's move probably may be positive for Indian markets. It may open positive for the Indian markets as of now. World markets, 17 August is 11 points up on S&P, and that is 0.26%. And NASDAQ was down by 29 points, 0.14%. And Dow Jones was up by 110 points, that is 0.31%. Nikkei was up by 85 points, that's 0.31%. Hang Seng was down by 210 points, that is 0.8% down. So that being said, that's the world markets. Seeing all the world markets, it's mostly positive. We will be reacting positive in today's session. Nifty technical analysis for 17 August is according to this following. 16,543 is the support, 16,375 next, 16,359, 16,349, 16,290, 16,210, 16,146 is the supports, and the resistance is at 16,589 levels. Those are the levels of resistance where we can actually see the market holding a bit, probably not resisting a lot, because that's a bit of absurd resistance. However, it's not a zero ending number or anything. However, it is the level where the market actually went up to and came down from there onwards in yesterday's session. So that's the resistance. Today we'll open with the negative bias as per the SGX Nifty, which is now just 8 points lower. Probably we will open positive in today's session, and I had wrote that lower towards 16,550 is where we will be opening. It may be possible, however, let's wait and watch for the Nifty pre-open to close, and it may see support at 16,529. If Nifty can't hold at 16,529, 16,500 to 16,450 levels are inevitable. Fast stochastic is at 97.55 and slow stochastic is at 98.29. Both are an overbought zone, which means that the market is desperate to come down from here onwards. MACD is positive, and 191.49 is where MACD is, and divergence is 48. So MACD is outright positive, and the divergence also is not high, which means that the upper momentum for the market to go higher is up as of now. Considering the world markets which is positive, SGX Nifty which is negative, and US markets which is positive, we will react a bit negative in the beginning. However, we'll react positively. Around 16,600 is where probably we may be headed in today's session. Mostly we will be positive as per the world markets and SGX Nifty as of now. So the supports are also supporting as of now, because we are we are above the resistances, which is 15,550, 15,500. Sorry, I'm saying 15,000 anyways. It's not 15,000, 16,000. So 16,550, 16,529 were resistances in yesterday's session. However, we have crossed those levels, and now we are above the level of 16,560 levels. So we are in a positive zone as of now. The support is at 16,550 and 16,529. So now we will be reacting positive as of now, according to the technical analysis. That being said, that's the technical analysis prelude for the morning. Let's see where the actual market is, where the pre-market is, and let's wonder if the market has to go upside or if it has to go downer from here onwards. So the pre-market is opening 17 points lower. As I'd already told you in the pre-open itself, we may open a bit negative. The same way has happened. We are opening 17 points lower in the pre-open. We are below 16,550 levels, which is 16,545.25 is where we are currently at. So this is the 1 minute chart. See how the market actually came all the way down from the highs of the market yesterday. So from 16,590 levels, we came down all the way down. At this point of time, we had a lot of loss from the 16,590 level. We came down to this particular level. So now we are currently at 16,550 levels is where the market is actually opening. So the pre-open shows that we will be opening 17 points lower in the market. So as of now, there is a possibility that the market may actually pause a bit, take some rest around say 16,500. It will consolidate a bit around 16,500 and then probably go upwards. So where is the target for the market? It's now at 16,892 levels. How do we actually take this into consideration? doing the Fibonacci extension levels. So that's the way we'll actually do the Fibonacci extension in order to find out where the market is currently at. Okay, so how do we do that? Let's do the technical analysis accordingly, and let's find out for ourselves. Okay, so I'll draw the Fibonacci retracement. I have taken 1-day charts. I will draw the Fibonacci retracement. So from the lows till the highs at 15,962 levels is where I will be drawing the so here is 15,952 levels. So where is the next level where the market may be actually going up to? So the market may be going up to around 16,550 levels as of now. So the next level we are actually looking at is around 16,890 levels. We can't see that very nicely. However, as of now, we are headed towards 16,890 levels is where it is actually headed up to. So according to Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci extension, so we are headed 16,589 levels. So that is market analysis as of now. The pre-open seems to open 17 points lower in the pre-open market, and it shows that the market has the strength to go up. However, the market seems to be taking a pause as of now. Okay, yesterday also we went all the way higher. However, it's seemingly that the higher note did not actually hold on a lot. Okay, from the levels of 16,590 levels, we fell all the way towards 16,560 levels. So we came down a bit more in today's pre-open market also. We are seeing a bit of negative momentum create. However, the supports are intact. There are lots and lots of supports as of now and hardly any resistance. It's quite possible that we may hit 16,550 today and then come down a bit from there onwards, and we may end up in a negative in today's session as well, because the momentum of the market seems to be positive. However, there is a level of profit booking which has to be seen in the market as well. Okay, so the market is always like our heartbeat. Okay, heartbeat should always be lub dub lub dub lub dub. It can't just be lub 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 or dub 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 dub. So the same way the market has to contract and relax. So when the market actually goes upwards, it goes in a small increments, and if it comes down, it comes down in very big chunks of increments. So please keep an eye whenever it's at the highest level. Do a lot of technical analysis and be very confident that it will move according to the technical analysis and technical analysis indicators, and that is when you will actually buy into the market. As of now, the next level of Nifty will reach 16,589 levels. However, it is quite possible that we may take some pause around these levels of 16,500, consolidate a bit, and then move upside from here onwards. The market is about to start. It may start in any second. So it's very calm as of now. 17 points lower. Now it's opening 24 points lower, 26 points lower. Market 16,535 is where we are seeing the market at. And now we are down 31 points at 16,530 levels. So as I already told, it may come down to 16,500 levels and then take a pause around those particular levels, consolidate a bit for a couple of days probably, and then move upwards is what the market is actually showing. The graduality of the market is supposed to be there, right? So the low stochastic and fast stochastic both are denoting that the market is in a overbought zone as well. As of now, however, the market as per slow stochastic RSI is denoting we are in a oversold zone in 1 minute charts. We may come up to the levels of 16,560 to 16,580, and then probably drag down again probably in today's market. So as of now, it seems like the market may revert from here towards the level of 16,560 levels, and then come down towards the 16,500 mark and probably consolidate over there. So that's what the market technical analysis is actually showing us. The slow stochastic and fast stochastic both are in the overbought zone, noting that we will go down from here. However, stochastic RSI in the 1 minute chart actually shows we are in a oversold zone, and we may go up from there here onwards. So from the levels of 16,520 levels, we may go up to 16,550 to 16,560 levels, and then we may come down more towards 16,500 to 16,450 levels is what the technical analysis is currently showing at this point of time. So let's see where the market actually heads to. According to technical analysis, I've given you the results, and let's take a 1 hour chart and let's do the analysis if the market is actually going according to the market zone. As of now, okay, so the stochastic RSI is not in a oversold zone, oversold zone, yes, as of now. So we are probably heading a bit lower according to 1 hour chart. In 1 hour, we may head a bit lower till 10:15. We may head a bit lower, and then we may see that the market reviving is what the 1 hour chart is actually showing. Okay, so there are different ways of looking at the market. As of now, it seems like the market is actually seeing the market to revive from here onwards. From the lows of the market, we may see the market reviving from here onwards, and seeing that the market is a bit on a positive side according to the stochastic RSIs. Stochastic RSI actually shows that we may be reviving from here onwards till the levels of 16,550 levels, and then move a bit down from there towards 16,500 levels. So as of now, looks like the consolidation is happening here itself. Look at this. Let me draw a horizontal line for you to show that the market is actually happening to see that the momentum is probably low. However, there is a support happening around the level of 16,522. Okay, I told you 16,529 will be a good level of support for the market, and 16,529, when it actually holds on, then the market may go upwards. I had already told you the market may revive towards 16,550 to 16,560, and then probably may come down a bit more towards 16,500 levels. Probably that's what is happening as of now. We rose from the lows of 16,022 towards the level of 16,540 levels as of now. So 25 points lower is what we are actually seeing the market at this point of time. So as I had already told, probably it is moving towards 560 levels, and then it may come down to 16,500 levels is what the market probably may show in the session. So that's the technical analysis, guys. If at all this actually gave you a bit of information about the markets, how the market actually operates, and where the market may actually go up to. Good morning to Mr. Ganesh and Mr. Prakash. So there is a possibility as of now that the market is reviving towards the level of 16,550. Yes, the market may come down. Yes, there is supports and resistances. 16,529 is a support for the market. So it is quite not the exact level. Resistance and supports are always zones. So 16,529 is having the support levels around 16,522. So we may revive from here. For 16,500 is a very strong support for the market. We may revive to 16,550 to 16,560 levels, and then may come down to 16,500 levels, and then consolidate over there and probably shoot up to 16,600 to 16,650 levels is where the market is actually giving the technical analysis indication as of now. So that being said, that's the end of market profit show. Like this video for more videos and share this video to everyone, and subscribe to my channel Ashok Kumar Exotic Investment. That being said, the end of market profit show with Ashok, and basics of stock market analysis is available on Amazon. Click on the first link in the description below. That is the end of market profit show. Happy trading, guys, and happy money making. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care, happy trading.